Is this all of them?
As you ordered. 300. All with balls to carry on their name.
To this. He is your son.
I have others to replace him.
You are a good nigga. You are a good friend. But a better captain, there is none.
So sad.
My good king! My good king!
Bye, have a great time.
It is the law, my lord. The Spartan army must not go to war.
Nor shall it. I've issued no such orders. I'm here, just taking a stroll, stretching my legs. These, 300 men are my friend. Our army will stay in Sparta.
Where will you go?
Our army will stay in Sparta.
Where will you go?
Our army will stay in Sparta.
Where will you go?
I hadn't really thought about it, but, now that you ask, I suppose Sparta.
Spartan!
No place for weakness. Only the hard may call themselves Spartans. Only the hard. Only the hard. We march for our lands, for our families, for our freedom. We march.
Sauce. What a pleasant surprise.
This morning's full of surprises, Leonidas.
We've been tricked. A few hundred. This is a surprise.
Silence.
A few hundred. This is a surprise.
Silence! We heard Spops was on the warpath. And we were eager to join forces.
If it is blood you seek, you're welcome to
Threaten my people with slavery and death.
But you bring only this handful of sauce against Xerxes? I see I was wrong to expect Sparta's commitment to at least match our own.
doesn't it? You, there. What is your profession?
I'm a...
And you, Arcadian, what is your profession? You? Spartans! What is your profession?
Potter. Sculptor.
Blacksmith.
See, old friend, I brought more
Blacksmith
than you did.